is the Stanley 550 watt toolkit. Consists of almost 120 accessories including a drill machine. Comes with 1 year warranty. So it has 550 watt with 3000 rpm, forward reverse direction, and one standard touch up backing. So let's open this. So you can see here all this, the drill, all the different kinds of drill bits, blade, screws and bolts and dust. This is the screwdriver heads, different kinds of heads for the screwdriver, which is fixed here. Allen key. This is the handle for the drill machine. A hammer, a cutting plier, a tester, and this is the chuck for fixing and removing. So this product I would say is a very good product for at home to get it, and it also has a measuring tape.